Now, we need to simplify these fractions to their lowest terms. And to simplify fractions, we need to divide both the numerator and the denominator by the highest common factor. So first we have 8 over 16. Now 8 and 16 are both in the 2 times table, they're both in the 4 times table as well, but the highest common factor of 8 and 16 is 8. 8 and 16 are both in the 8 times table, so we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 8. 8 divided by 8 is 1, and 16 divided by 8 is 2. So 8 over 16 is equivalent to 1/2. Now we have 12 over 16. 12 and 16 are both in the 2 times table, but the highest common factor of 12 and 16, the highest times table that has both 12 and 16 as multiples, is the 4 times table. So we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3, and 16 divided by 4 is 4. So 12 over 16 is equivalent to 3/4. If we simplify 12 over 16, we get 3/4. Now we have 20 over 25. Both numbers are in the 5 times table. 5 is the highest common factor of 20 and 25, so we can simplify this fraction by dividing the numerator and the denominator by 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4, 25 divided by 5 is 5, so 20 over 25 simplifies to 4/5. Now we have 6 over 15. The highest common factor is 3. Both 6 and 15 are in the 3 times table, so we can divide both the numerator and the denominator by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 15 divided by 3 is 5, so 6 over 15 simplifies to 2/5. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.